How do I help my partner understand my all-in commitment to the sport I'm playing, especially if I'm a D1 or professional athlete, right? I've got a kid right now that I'm coaching on the pro tennis tour, right? The ATP tour, right? And it's so intense, the amount of travel involved and the all-in commitment. He's had a bunch of girlfriends along the way, but he hasn't been a great communicator. So we want to develop our communication skills. It makes us a better athlete anyway. Why is that? Off the field for on the field. What does that mean? When you communicate really well, your relationships are better. When your relationships are better, when you step on that court or on that field or on the ice, your head is more clear and you can focus better. So it's all interconnected, off the field for on the field. We want to develop our interpersonal ability and our interpersonal skills and our communication skills and our self-expression skills. How do we do that? We have to practice, not a little bit, a lot. In other words, everywhere. Bringing things up, addressing things, letting people know up front who you are and what you're about. I'm not talking about the first date, right? But as you go into a relationship, the self-expression and communication and the ability to listen to your partner and understand her or him. That's important too, but at the end of the day, there's no substitute for, for the upfront communication and the authentic communication and the ability to express who you truly are. Hey, I'm Dr. Brett.